Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best 3D printer review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality versatile 3D printer designed for home projects and DIY fans. It offers a reliable printing speed of up to 250 mm per second with precise layer thickness from 0.1 to 0.35 mm. The hands-free auto-leveling feature simplifies setup, making it beginner-friendly. The printer uses a robust Sprite direct drive extruder perfect for a range of filaments like Hyper PLA, PTG, and TPU. Its dual Z-axis design adds stability, ensuring smooth and detailed prints with a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume and a flexible PI build plate. It accommodates diverse projects. Power loss recovery protects prints from interruptions, while the 3.22 in color knob screen offers easy control. Compatible with Reality Print, Kobra and Prusa Slicer, this printer supports Wi-Fi and USB file transfers. Overall, the Creality Ender printers delivers speed, precision, and user-friendly features for any DIY enthusiast. Number 4. EZ3D K7 Mini 3D Printer. The EZ3D 3D Printer, a compact beginner-friendly printer built for simplicity and safety, designed especially for kids and first-time users. It features one-click printing with a smart main board and a magnetic build platform for hassle-free model removal. It supports popular slicing software like EasyWare, Kobra, and Simplify 3D and is compatible with PLA filament using a 0.4 mm nozzle. The printer delivers accurate results with 0.1 to 0.2 mm precision, making it ideal for DIY crafts and home projects. Despite its small footprint, it offers a 100 by 100 by 100 mm build volume and works with STL and OBJ files. Outputting in G-code, no auto-leveling needed, just plug in and print from school projects to weekend creations. The EZ3D K7 is a safe and smart entry point into the world of 3D printing. Number 3. Soval SV08 Core XY 3D Printer. The Soval 3D printer is an ideal choice for home users who want professional-level performance. With lightning-fast print speeds up to 700 mm per second, it handles large projects quickly and precisely. The Core XY motion system delivers smoother operation and greater accuracy. Its 300 degrees Celsius clog-free hot end allows users to print with a wide variety of materials like PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, and more. The auto-leveling bed simplify setup, while the generous 350 by 350 by 345 mm build area gives room for big ideas. Compatible with Kobra, Soval, Kobra, and Simplify 3D, it supports both Mac and Windows. A built-in camera adds real-time monitoring for added convenience for makers, DIYers, and creators. The Soval SV08 offers a great mix of speed, reliability, and versatility, perfect for bringing detailed designs to life right from home. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra S1 3D Printer. The Anycubic, a fast and precise 3D printer designed for hobbyists and home projects. Its sturdy Core XY structure ensures stable and accurate printing with a maximum speed of 600 mm per second. It delivers quick results without sacrificing quality. The printer features auto-leveling, which makes setup smooth and easy. It supports a wide range of filaments including PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, ASA, PA, and PC, providing great versatility for various projects. The heated bed can reach 120 degrees Celsius, ideal for advanced materials and improving print adhesion. The generous build volume of 250 by 250 by 250 mm suits most home and DIY creations with a high precision of plus or minus 0.1 mm and ultra-quiet operation. The Anycubic perfectly balances performance ultra-quiet operation. The Anycubic perfectly balances performance and convenience for any enthusiast. Number 1. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. The Anycubic 3D Printer, a high-speed multicolor FDM 3D printer perfect for DIY creators and home innovators. With a blazing fast maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, it brings efficiency and detail together in one machine. This printer supports a generous build size of 250 by 250 by 260 mm, giving users room to create functional parts or artistic models with ease. It also includes auto-leveling, making setup and calibration nearly effortless. Compatible with PLA, PTG, and TPU filaments, the Kobra 3 offers versatility for a wide range of home projects. Its 1.75 mm filament diameter ensures precise, consistent output for those who want speed, quality, and color flexibility. The Anycubic Cobra 3 combo stands out whether for hobby work or serious DIY design. It delivers professional-grade performance at home.